Dirt Fisherman here with my boy. We opened up some Hot Wheels for y'all. We want to Sarah Hayes. Hey. Alright, he wanted to show you his car he got that he already opened up.
Blue Panel Wagon, number 3.
Alright, y'all, let's turn this thing around, open up some cars, and have some fun. Alright, y'all, up first, it's going to be the 67 Chevrolet C10. Here you go. Open it up. That's right, C10. Can you get it? Let me fix that, y'all. Here we go. Check that bad boy out, y'all.
I found the Porsche for you. Look. My Porsche.
Alright, y'all. Up next is going to be the 80 El Camino.
Ooh, so cool, exciting. With wide open.
I ain't been having too much luck finding the newer cars, y'all. Old scalpers is killing me out there this year. We can go to El Camino, y'all. Alright, well that one's on there, y'all. We're going to open up the Mazda Rebuke. Here you go, baby.
Oh, I have this one. Mazda?
Mm-hmm.
The Mazda. Is that a Mercedes? Right there.
No, baby, you dropped the car.
What's up?
Get it, man.
What type of car?
Check that old Mazda out, y'all.
Yeah, what is? These are both the same, different colors.
Alright, y'all. Well, that was on the turn, y'all. We'll open up the Nissan Skyline GTR BCNR33, the Godzilla car.
What Godzilla? What's on Godzilla? He's always on the cars.
Well, be careful now.
Why, Godzilla?
Check this one out, y'all. One of my favorite ones. I like the Nissan Skylines. And you got Godzilla on the side of it. I got the one with the white Godzilla on it somewhere in here. I like that one there. It's pretty cool. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the Fiat 500e, the electric one. Here you go, baby. Open it up.
1999.
Open it up.
Oh, there are just first ever Matchbox in here.
Yeah, so
My first ever Matchbox in this pocket, Daddy. My first ever Matchbox.
like the old 55 convertible.
And by the way, that's the car I got for Owen today.
All right, y'all. Check the old little Fiat out. All right, y'all. Up next is going to be the 70 Datsun 510 Rally.
What? Did I see Dartons? Dartons, Dartons?
No, it's a Nissan
Oh, I have
Datsun.
it. I have it. I have it, wait. Is it Dartons, Dartons?
I forgot it's a hot. I forgot it's a Matchbox.
No,
Can you get it?
Oh, it's all white. The white is super soft. And I can handle the white stuff on Matchboxes, Daddy.
All right, y'all. Check the old Datsun out. All right, y'all. This is going to be it for this little video right here. We're going to turn this camera around and say our goodbyes to y'all. Come on, baby.
Step the package.
All right, y'all. We're going to say our goodbyes.
Bye.
If you like what you see, subscribe to our channel, please, for more Hot Wheel openings up in Matchbox. All right, y'all. Peace
Peace.
out.